The 33KPA Cordless Stick Vacuum Cleaner is equipped with a robust 400-watt brushless motor, offering powerful suction to tackle various cleaning tasks efficiently. With its removable 2,200 milliampere-hour battery, this vacuum cleaner provides an extended runtime of up to 45 minutes on eco mode, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning sessions. The vacuum's flexible LED motorized floor brush head allows for easy maneuverability, illuminating and capturing hidden dust and debris under furniture or in dark corners. This versatile vacuum cleaner comes with multiple accessory attachments, making it adaptable for cleaning different surfaces like carpets, hard floors, and even car interiors. The intuitive touchscreen and LED display enhance user convenience by allowing effortless adjustments of vacuum power and providing real-time status updates. Featuring a 5-stage high-efficiency filtration system, this vacuum captures up to 99.99% of fine particles, ensuring a cleaner and healthier home environment.